guys, it's your boy Zentai Fit. Number one, let me just give a big thank you and shout out to all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. Like, I appreciate you guys' support so very much. Like, you guys are amazing. So let me just throw that out there right now. Number two, big major shout out and thank you to every single cosplayer that contributed and, you know, allowed me to use some of your photos and videos to put this video together. I just wanted to do something special celebrating Power Rangers, you know, Hasbro Lightning Collection release, and I think it was just cool to, you know, culminate and bring together cosplayers like myself and other cosplayers in the Power Ranger community and just make a little fun video. So I thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video out, share this video out, share it out with your uncles, your aunties, your cousins, and all of them. Share it out with all of them, okay? Also, I will post some links in the description. Go and purchase these toys, guys. You can go to Walgreens, out of all places. You can go to Target, you can go to Walmart. So make sure you go ahead, if you're a collector like myself, and you're a big, you know, Power Ranger fan, go and purchase these toys and add them to your collection. I will post the links in the description. Alright, y'all, much love. I will see y'all next time. Wham, bam, boom.